Alright, picture this. Imagine you're sitting alone in a quiet, dark room, your mind wandering as you gaze up at the endless night sky. The stars twinkle above and you start to wonder about the mysteries hiding out there in the vastness of space. Now, let's get a little wild. What if you took your absolute favorite book, the one you've read 100 times, and tossed it straight into a black hole? You watch as it spirals closer and closer, finally disappearing past the event horizon, that invisible boundary where nothing escapes. Gone, right? Just erased from existence? Not quite. The story doesn't end there. Here's where things get really strange. The universe actually has a super weird rule: it doesn't like to lose information. In fact, according to the laws of physics, every single detail about everything that happens should, in theory, be preserved somewhere. But black holes? They're like the ultimate cosmic shredders, gobbling up anything that comes too close and seemingly erasing all traces of it. So, what gives? How can both of these things be true? Let's jump into the mind-bending world of the black hole information paradox. Here's the deal. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, black holes are these monstrous objects that devour anything crossing their event horizon. Mass, light, even data, zap. Once something falls in, it's as if it never existed. All that's left behind is a dark, featureless sphere, with no hint of what was lost. It's like the universe's ultimate delete button. But hold on, quantum mechanics, the universe's rulebook for the tiniest things, throws a wrench in the works. It insists that information can't just vanish no matter what. Every particle, every bit of data should be traceable, even if it's scrambled beyond recognition. So, scientists found themselves stuck with this cosmic contradiction. If I throw a pizza, a planet, or even my favorite playlist into a black hole, is that information really gone forever? Or is the universe secretly keeping receipts, storing every detail in some hidden way? This isn't just a quirky thought experiment, it's a fundamental question about how reality works. Enter Stephen Hawking, the legendary physicist. In the 1970s he made a groundbreaking discovery: black holes aren't totally black after all. They actually leak something called Hawking radiation, a kind of slow, ghostly steam that seeps out over time. This means that, given enough time, billions and billions of years, a black hole could eventually evaporate away completely. But here's the catch. Hawking radiation looks totally random, like static on a TV screen. There's no sign of that pizza, planet, or playlist. So where's the info? Is it really lost, or is it hiding in the chaos? Now here's where things get wild, like really wild. Some scientists think the information doesn't actually disappear. Instead, it clings to the event horizon, the very edge of the black hole, like a super thin hologram storing every detail of what fell in. Others suggest that maybe, just maybe, the information leaks out through the Hawking radiation after all, if only we could figure out how to decode it from the noise. And then there's the even crazier idea: what if there's a fiery firewall at the event horizon, burning up all that info the instant it arrives? That last one is super controversial and has sparked heated debates among physicists. The truth is, nobody knows for sure. So what does it all mean? The black hole information paradox isn't just about black holes swallowing stuff. It's about whether the universe plays fair with its own rules, or if there are exceptions lurking in the shadows. If we can solve this paradox, we might finally crack the code that unites gravity, the force that shapes stars and galaxies, with quantum physics, the strange rules that govern atoms and particles. That's the holy grail of science, a single theory that explains everything, from the tiniest quarks to the biggest black holes. For now, black holes are keeping their secrets locked away. But every time you look up at the night sky and wonder what's hiding out there, remember, the universe might be stranger, more mysterious, and even smarter than we can possibly imagine. The answers could change everything we know about reality itself. So, keep asking questions, keep exploring, and above all, stay curious.